Hi, my name's Christopher Oldham. I am a physical education teacher here at Cayuga Heights Elementary in Depew.
Hi, my name is Stacy Ribick, and I'm one of the physical education teachers here at Cayuga Heights.
I'm here this morning to talk about the capital project at Cayuga Heights Elementary. This gym is the original gym floor that was put in when the school was built.
One of the reasons we're really hoping to replace our floor here in the old gym is the safety of our students. As you can see through some of the pictures that were shown, numerous screws and nails are always popping up out of the floor. We're concerned that our students could possibly get cut or injured on those. There are chunks of the floor that are actually missing, and then we also have numerous dead spots in the gym when we're doing things like basketball or volleyball that affect our ability to teach. Another factor that is affecting the life of our floor here in the old gym is the fact that it has been used as a cafeteria during COVID. Numerous things are spilled on it daily, from liquids to food, and it's just damaging the floor more. There's some warping going on where the liquid is seeping into the wood as well.
The high school has had their gymnasium redone. The middle school has had their gymnasium redone. We have a beautiful floor down in our new gym, but this gym being the old original floor, it definitely is outdated, needs to be updated, and would really benefit our students here at Cayuga Heights.